Welcome back everyone. I dropped a video not too long ago on exactly how to fix your Xbox microphone, whether you have issues with it or whatever the case is, and a lot of those same things can happen with the PlayStation 4 as well. So here's a couple ways to fix it, whether your microphone is not working or it's a low quality or whatever. Now the first thing you want to do is make sure it's fully connected. So you want to make sure you can unplug your microphone and plug it back in. That's like the very first thing you want to try out. In some cases it might work, other cases it might not. If you have a faulty microphone, obviously it's not going to work. It's the very first thing you want to test out. You want to make sure that it's fully flush and fully connected. So plug it in, plug it out, and make sure it's good there. And the next thing you want to do is make sure that the mute button is not pressed on your specific controller. So every controller and every single microphone might have a mute button that you can select. So you want to make sure that's not connected or not selected at all. That's another huge one that always gets into some issues, but that's kind of a tricky one some people run into. Now another thing what you can do is actually go into your device settings within your PlayStation, obviously the PS4, and you want to go into your adjust microphone level settings, and you want to turn the microphone level up. That way, just in case there was an actual issue with your microphone, you can actually go and enable it and turn it up. Sometimes it might be too low. Sometimes you might even have a microphone issue where your speakers or headset, maybe you can't hear anything, but people can hear you. This is also another way which you can actually fix that, which is a humongous one. And if both those or three of those ways don't fix it, like I just stated, another thing you can actually do is actually go and just restart the PS4. This is a humongous one. Sometimes it might fix it, sometimes it might not. But what you can do is actually go into your PS4, hold down the front button for about, like 10, 15, 30 seconds, give or take. And you want to wait until you hear two beeps, and then you want to go and load it up into safe mode. Now you can clear out the couple of, input settings and stuff that you might have here before. But what I would recommend is just, putting into safe mode, rebooting back into your specific PS4, and just going from there and seeing if that fully fixes it. You might be in a situation where it's fully fixed and you're good. You might be in a situation where it's not fully fixed either. And in that case, you want to disconnect your microphone, put it back in, and seeing if that fixes it. There's a lot of ways to go about doing this, but those are just basically the main ways that I've seen it. At the end of the day, it could be a possibility that your microphone is not working or it's faulty, and you might have to get a new one, or maybe there's a problem with the PS4 controller or something like that. So those are obviously things that could happen too, but those couple ways that I just stated are mostly the main ways that you can go about it and fix your specific microphone if you're having issues on your PlayStation 4. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel. All those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate if you guys would check it out. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.